What's going on, guys? Taylor Cacciola from Namra Consulting Group. Today we're going to teach you how to invite your personal friends to like a business Facebook. Okay, so really quick, it's super easy. The first thing that you do is go over to the business page that you want to invite people to. Okay, on the left-hand side with these little tabs, you're going to click Community. Once you've done that, you go up to these three little buttons right there. They're like the settings buttons. You click on that and it's going to have a drop down. You're going to scroll all the way down to invite friends. Click on that, and there you're basically done. It's going to prompt you to select all. I've already done this, so they're already all checked off, but you'll be able to hit select all. The boxes will get checked off, and then you can hit invite all. I recommend you do this 2 to 3 times. Typically we'll see anywhere from 5 to 11% actually like the page from this. So after, every 3 or 4 or 6 weeks, you do this again 2 to 3 times. And then what you can actually do is over here, there's a prompt on the left-hand side, click off, send invites through Messenger. But you can only do this to 50 people at a time. So if you are inviting 1,000 friends, it would take forever to do it this way. So we recommend basically doing the mass invite first, and then after a few tries of that, then send your invites through Messenger. There's a little bit of a higher rate of conversion on that. So that's how you invite your personal friends to like a business Facebook page. I'm Taylor Cacciola from Namra Consulting Group. Let us know if you have any other questions, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.